Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make modern folded tiny house, luxury tiny house. First of all, we have to select the rotate rectangle, and we can select the origin on this point, and we can drag to the another side around 6 meter. Enter and set the depth of this tiny house is around 2.6 meter. Okay, approximately this dimension, and I will show you about the dimension of this tiny house like this. Okay, and then we can push it up around 300 millimeters and triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, and then we can select the rectangle and click from this corner to this corner diagonally, and click the surface and push it up around 3 meter. Okay, and then we can select the line and click from this point to this point, and click this surface and place to this position first. Okay, then we can select this line and click from this point and move the cursor to the above. Okay, then we can click this line and select move. Okay, and drag this line until this position. Okay, like this. And now we can select this line, right click and erase. And then we can click this line and make the make the triangle in here. Okay, then we can move to the bottom. We can draw the line to the bottom in here. Okay, like this, and we can right click, make group, and we can click this surface, right click and erase. Okay, and then we can select this surface and select the line in here till this position and offset it inside around 60 millimeter and 60 millimeter in here. Okay, and we can also click this line and offset it inside 60 millimeter like this. Then we can click this line and erase. Okay, then we can draw the line in this position like this, and draw the line like this to make the variation of these envelopes. Okay, now we can click this line. Okay, we can make the line in here and move it to this position, or sorry, we can erase and we can offset it inside just a little bit and move to this position. Okay, like this. And we can also make the another variation like this and erase this one, and okay, we can push it until this position. Okay, we can erase, and then we can click this line. We can click this line and select move until this position. Then we can push this one until this position like this. Or maybe we can erase this first. We can erase this first, and then we can push it again. We can push it again until this position. Okay, and we can draw this one. Or we can draw the line in here. Click this line and select move to this position. Okay, and erase some unnecessary line, and we can draw the line in here. Okay, now we can make this little folded in here, and then okay, we can fix it by draw the line and draw the line in here. Okay, we can erase this one by one of this line. Okay, then we can erase this one. We can draw the line in here. Okay, just like this. So this is the basic shapes, and now we can click this surface and click to this position. Okay, we can draw the line like this, and we can draw the line in here and make the line and select move. Okay, okay, we can draw the line in here, and we can draw the line in here, and we can also draw the line in here. Then we can erase this one. Okay, then we can make the folded shape in here. Okay, and we can make sure that this is glazing. Okay, this is about the glazing. Okay, now we can select the roof. We can select the roofing. Okay, then we can select the surface. We can select the surface. Okay, then we can adjust about the saturation to make the surfaces, and we can select the color. Okay, we have to assign the color of it in here, and we can adjust for the frame. Okay, we can draw the line again to make the accent, and we can set the gray in here, and we can select the glazing. Okay, and we can select the color and just place the surfaces like this. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and you can continue this modeling to make the interior of this tiny house. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video and this channel, and wait for my next video. Thank you.